Hey, so does Jungle Scout work in Canada? And the answer here is yes. I'm on the Jungle Scout list of supported countries kind of webpage. I'll link it in the description for you if you want to see it kind of more in depth. But as you can see, Amazon Canada definitely does work with Jungle Scout. And if you want to see exactly which tools by Jungle Scout work with Amazon Canada, then you can see here, you see the feature set on the left, kind of what tool there is and the country. Now, I'll tell you that I have a video for you, video tutorial that shows you how to use all these parts of Jungle Scout. So pretty much everything that you see here, A to Z tutorial with Ed from Jungle Scout. The link is going to be in the description, and have the best discounts for Jungle Scout for you as well. And they're going to be universal for pretty much Jungle Scout. So for the plans, basic, suite, and professional. So for Canada, going back to Canada, supplier database does not work here. Pretty much it only works for US. Category trends does not work with Canada. Promotions as well, which basically category trends is like product research, let's call it tool, or like assistance in product research, give you some trends of specific category with different products. It's not available currently for Canada, only for the US, but most of the tools are available. Promotions, that's not available. This is kind of a product promotion tool. I can say you can do without it if you do well with Amazon pay-per-click or any other ways you promote your products, but everything else, like product research, keyword research, listing optimization, inventory management, sales analytics, everything works with the Amazon Canada and Jungle Scout. So check out the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description. I also actually leave them here on the screen for you, along with the tutorial of how to use Jungle Scout with Ed. It will show you how to use these tools. Have a great day. Bye-bye.